How does one system stand guard against a sky full of unseen threats, from mere meters above ground to the edge of a stratosphere? What engineering brilliance allowed the S-400 TRAM to engage everything from stealth aircraft to ballistic missiles within a single integrated defense network? And what critical components make up this multi-layered shield? Launched into service in 2007 that provides overlapping protective envelope against an ever-evolving aerial battlefield. Today we will meticulously unpack the ingenuity behind its legendary capabilities. At the core of every S400 battery lies the 55K6E mobile command force, a sophisticated armored 8x8 vehicle that serves as the brain of the entire system. It fuses and analyzes high volume of data stream from integrated and external radar sources and forms an exceptionally accurate air picture, mitigating false alarm and maintaining situational awareness even under intense electronic warfare. Designed for resilience, it features advanced ECCM jam resistance communication and secure links to coordinate up to 6 radar systems simultaneously with rapid setup, relocation capabilities and robust data processing. The 55K6E ensures S400 battery remains mobile, responsive and lethal across a wide operational area. The S400 air defense systems achieves its effectiveness through a suite of specialized radar systems, each engineered to fulfill a specific role in creating a comprehensive and resilient airspace picture. The 91 N6E Big Bird acquisition radar operating in the L-band serves as the primary early warning sensor with a 600 km range and the ability to track up to 300 targets, including stealth aircraft, by exploiting their signature at lower frequency. Once the target is detected, the system transitions to 92 N6E grid-storm engagement radar, an X-band fed array system capable of simultaneously tracking 72 targets and guiding missiles toward 36 with rapid electronic beam steering and exceptional precision. Complementing these is the 96 L6E cheeseboard radar optimized for detecting low-level flying threats hidden by terrain or ground clutter. Together, these radars form a multi-band, multi-layer network offering seamless surveillance, engagement and redundancy even under complex electronic warfare conditions. The S-400 striking powers comes from its highly mobile launcher vehicle and diverse missile arsenal, forming the system's muscle mounted on 8x8 TEL vehicle. The entire unit can quickly deploy, launch and relocate, enhancing survivability and responsiveness. A key innovation is its universal launcher capable of firing mix of missiles tailored for different threats and ranges. For a close medium range engagement, the NM96E provides agile, high precision targeting with active radar homing and kinetic kill capability. Long range duties are covered by 48 and 6 series, which ranges up to 250 km and fragmentation warhead. Guided by semi-active radar at the top tier shoots the 40 and 6E missile reaching out to 400 km to engage high-value assets like AWACS and bomber using active radar for pinpoint accuracy. All S-400 missiles feature a cold launch system using gas ejection before rocket ignition to reduce launcher wear and provide 360-degree engagement capability, boosting flexibility and rapid response in dynamic battle environment. With its brain processing and its eye tracking, the S-400 formidable muscles, its mobile launcher vehicle and their diverse missile arsenal are poised to deliver the decisive blow. Mobility is a core engineering principle that defines the S-400 operational power. The entire system, including the command post, radars and launcher, is mounted on highly mobile 8x8 transport erector launcher TEL vehicles. This allows an S-400 battery to rapidly deploy, set up in a matter of minutes, launch its interceptor and then quickly relocate to avoid counter battery fire, ensuring maximum survivability and operational flexibility across vast geographical areas. However, the true engineering innovation within the segment lies not just in its mobility but in the S-400 unprecedented capability to fire mixed array of missiles from same universal launch system. This layered missile approach is fundamental to its ability to engage diverse threats across vast ranges and altitudes. For precision engagement against highly agile targets, especially fighter jets, tactical aircraft, and precision guided munitions within closer ranges, the S-400 employs 9M96E. The 9M96E has a range of up to 120 km. These are relatively small, more agile interceptors designed for high G maneuver to match the evasive actions of modern aircraft. A key engineering feature is their use of active radar homing in terminal phase, meaning the missile itself contains a miniature radar seeker that locks onto target in its final approach, providing superior accuracy independent of ground radar. Forming the backbone of S400 long-range capability is the 48 and 6E. These are larger, more powerful interceptors with an impressive range of 250 km respectively. They are designed to engage a broad spectrum of aerial targets, including aircraft, cruise missiles, and even some types of short to medium range ballistic missiles. These missiles typically use semi-active radar homing. The gravestone engagement radar illuminates the targets and the missile homes in the reflected radar energy. They carry a formidable fragmentation warhead designed to create a lethal shrapnel cloud upon detonation, ensuring destruction of the target. At the very apex of S400 arsenal is extraordinary 40 and 6E missile. This is the system's ultra long range interceptor boasting an elite range of astonishing 400 km and an engagement ceiling of up to 30 to 35 km. The 40 and 6E is game changer, especially designed to engage high value airborne assets such as AWACS, strategic bombers, sophisticated jamming platform from extreme standoff distances. This capability allows S400 to neutralize crucial enemy support assets. Often well beyond the range of their defensive measures. 40 and 6E also benefit from active radar homing in its terminal phase, ensuring exceptional accuracy even at extreme ranges. An ingenious engineering design shared by all S-400 missiles is their cold launch mechanism. Unlike traditional missile launchers, where the rocket motors ignites within immediate upon exiting the canister, S-400 missiles are vertically ejected from their transport launcher canister by a powerful gas generator. Only after reaching a safe altitude, typically 20 to 30 meters above the launcher, does the main rocket motor ignite and the missile performs a precise turn towards its target. This cold launch system significantly reduces its stress on launcher vehicle, minimizes the launch signature, and crucially allows for 360-degree engagement capability without requiring the TEL to be physically rotated, dramatically speeding up reaction time and enhancing the system's flexibility in dynamic threat environment. The S400 Triumph is not just a weapon, but a testament to human ingenuity, a seamless fusion of physics, electronics, software, and algorithmic intelligence. It embodies a sophisticated, ever-evolving shield against modern aerial threats. In an era of advanced interconnected warfare, the S-400 serves as both a strategic deterrent and a symbol of technological mastery, compelling adversaries to rethink their offensive strategy while securing national airspace with unmatched precision and resilience. If you find this video interesting and if you loved my content, please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.